This 8-inch sub box hits harder than your ex. CT Sounds TROPO-2X8D4 bass test. You ever get that sinking feeling when your bass just flops? You dropped cash on a subwoofer setup, wired it in, blasted your favorite track, and instead of teeth-rattling bass, you got weak sauce and port noise that sounds like a deflating balloon. It's frustrating, right? You've got the ride, the playlist, the vibe, but your sub can't keep up. And don't even start on the DIY box you bought that rattles like a tin can every time the bass drops. You're not just missing bass, you're missing the whole point of having a sub. And now you're sitting there asking, did I just waste my money? Now multiply the disappointment every single time your friends hop in. You cue the track, expecting jaws to drop, but instead, it's a silent funeral for your street cred. Your system sounds like a wet noodle trying to punch through a wall. You've maxed out your amp settings. Still weak. You start spiraling. Maybe your wiring's off. Maybe the subs are junk. Maybe it's just not meant to be. Stress. Regret. Bass envy. And worse? You can't return something custom built. The bass life was supposed to slap. But here you are, driving sad. Meet your salvation, the CT Sounds Dual 8-inch TROPO-2X8D4 Loaded Sub Box. This ain't your average prefab junk box. This is a kerf-ported, airtight, double-barreled bass cannon packing two 800-watt Tropo 8-inch subs, pre-wired and locked in with a deadly 1-ohm final impedance. From the buttery MDF build to the precision dado and miter joints, this beast doesn't rattle, it rumbles. The kerf port is so smooth it could moonlight as a slip-and-slide for air pressure. And yes, the bass hits like a caffeine-fueled gorilla doing a cannonball. All you need? A decent amp and an AUX cable. No guesswork. Just plug in and watch the streets shake. Let's talk perks that actually matter to bass heads. You get punchy, responsive, window-wobbling low-end straight out of the box. The port's airflow is so clean it feels engineered by NASA. And the design? Sleek black carpet, flush sub-mount, zero-edge noise. The craftsmanship screams quality, because it is. You'll feel every drop, every boom, every low-end growl the way it was meant to be heard. Whether you're upgrading your daily driver or flexing at a meet, this box turns heads and keeps them nodding. Want real bass without the custom shop tax? This is the move. Don't sleep on this drop, seriously. Thousands of bassheads already made the switch to CT Sounds and haven't looked back. This dual 8-inch Tropo box stays selling out because it actually delivers. No tuning nightmares, no weak thumps, no lies. Just pure, seat-shaking bass in a pro-built, road-ready box. And with CT's solid rep in the car audio game, your purchase is backed by quality and community. So stop faking it. Stop waiting. Click that link. Grab the TROPO-2X8D4. And finally feel what real bass sounds like. Your ears, and your ego, will thank you.